Hari. In Hindu culture, various plants and trees are considered to be auspicious and we offer prayer to those trees. People also plant these trees near their houses to keep evil and negative vibes at bay. For that reason, these trees have a huge religious significance. If you flip through the Hindu sacred books, we can see many trees considered to be divine trees. With a rich, colorful culture, thousands of years of history, and many intervened religions, India has been called the land of gods and goddesses. In this spiritually charged world, special sacred trees occupy a respected ceremonial position and some are even worshipped. Even in this modern era, people still have faith in those trees. So, let us know about those trees and plants and how one can be benefited from these trees. Let us know about some spiritual plants and their medicinal value.
Maple tree belongs to the fig family with curiously heart-shaped leaves that taper off at a point in a small cave. It is commonly called as arayal in Malayalam. Rather mysteriously, the leaves of this tree rustle even when there is no breeze to move them, which is attributed to its long leaf stalk and broad leaf structure. This tree, also known as Ashwatha, is perpetually the most worshipped tree in India. Lord Krishna, the original incarnation of Lord Vishnu and the supreme Lord of the universe, according to the Vaishnava faith, identifies with the people in the sacred text Bhagavad Gita. He states, "Of all trees, I am the holy fig tree." In addition, the Hindus associate the roots of the tree with Lord Brahma, the trunk of the tree with Lord Vishnu, and the leaves of the tree with Lord Shiva. The Buddhists also revere this tree since Lord Buddha is thought to have attained enlightenment under the peepal tree. Thus, it is also called the Bodhi tree or tree of enlightenment. A red thread or cloth is often tied around the tree for worship, and it is considered very inauspicious to ever cut one down.
Medicinal benefit of peepal tree. Peepal tree is said to be a great source of oxygen along with neem and tulasi. It purifies the surroundings where it is planted and kills germs. Worshipping the tree means being in the vicinity and thus breathing in health and breathing out impurities.
Bark and root of the tree help in curing asthma, fever, and its leaf cure eye pain. According to Ayurveda, this tree can cure over 50 disorders including epilepsy, diarrhea, and gastric troubles.
The banyan tree is also known as Pedal in Malayalam. This is another type of fig tree with large glossy leaves and trunk appear to be composed of labyrinth of roots. It grows around a host plant, often killing the original plant. In the process, it gained a nickname Strangler Fig. The banyan tree often represents the Trimurti, the three lords of cosmic creation, preservation and destruction, namely Lord Brahma, Lord Vishnu and Lord Shiva. It is very often used for metaphorical reference in the Vedic scriptures written in ancient Sanskrit. With its ever-spreading roots and branches, it is also symbolic of life and fertility in many Indian cultures and is consequently worshipped by those who wish to have children. The revered banyan tree is never cut and thus often grows on.
Medicinal benefit of banyan tree. Banyan is an essential plant for several pharmaceutical industries. The roots of banyan are used for obstinate vomiting and infusion.
The bark is considered as a tonic and astringent. It is also used in diarrhea dysentery. In Ayurvedic system, the bark is used in the treatment of diabetes.
Bale is commonly known as Kuvalam in Malayalam. It is a slender aromatic tree which bears a sweet green-yellow fruit. It is a very useful medicinal plant as well as a sacred tree. All of its parts like stems, roots, leaves and fruits are used for different healing purposes, and it has been proven effective in combating many different kinds of bacteria. It is known as Shiva Mudra among the Hindus, and the leaves are often offered to Lord Shiva, who is known to be particularly pleased by this tree. Bales have trifoliate leaves, that is a leaf structure of tree, and this is sometimes thought to symbolize Shiva's trident or the Trimurti as well.
Medicinal benefits of Bale. Bale or Shivaduma, also known as the tree of Lord Shiva, is of sacred in India. It is an important medicinal plant with several uses in traditional medicine. All parts of Bale are useful in the management of several diseases. According to Ayurveda, unripe Bale fruit pulp along with sugar or honey is found to be very effective in managing diarrhea, dysentery and other gastrointestinal diseases. Bay leaf decoction with black pepper also help manage constipation as it loosens the stools due to its laxative property. It also helps manage cough due to its expectorant property. This promotes the secretion of sputum by the air passages and helps in easy breathing. Massaging bay leaf powder with coconut oil on the scalp is good for promoting hair growth as it provides nourishment to the hair. This paste can also be applied for managing eye complications such as abscess due to its anti-inflammatory activity. You can even use Bale pulp as a face pack to give you a youthful looking skin.
The coconut tree is a member of the palm family and is the only living species of the genus Cocoa. The classic appearance of the coconut tree with its slender trunk, large fan-like leaves and round hard-shelled fruit is the symbol of exotic beaches and tropical forests.
In India, however, the coconut trees are used for all kinds of religious purposes, mainly utilizing the coconut fruits in pujas and all kinds of traditional food preparations. Some say that the fruit represents Lord Shiva, with the 3 black marks on the coconuts depicting his eyes. Around the world, the coconut fruit is well regarded for its distinctive flavor, nutritional benefits, and even medicinal values, possessing antibacterial properties.
Almost every Indian household has this sacred tulsi plant, as it is considered as a good omen to grow it in their courtyard. It is used in almost every religious work. It is capable of keeping the negative energies away. Devotees believe that the string made up of the tulsi plant can help in attaining a peace of mind.
Medicinal benefits of tulsi. Indian mythology attaches a great significance to basil by recognizing it as a holy herb. Perhaps such significance comes from the actual health applications of the herb. Its use is recommended as a first aid in the treatment of respiratory, digestive, and skin diseases. Regular consumption of tulsi may lower blood pressure and cholesterol by regulating cortisol levels, reducing the risk of stroke, heart attack, and other related diseases. Apart from these common ailments, Ayurveda also recognizes its use for the diseases ranging up to tumorous growths.
This is a small taste of the relationship between trees and spiritual life in India. The association between many different kinds of trees, plants, and flowers with religious practice is a deep and significant one. It is based in a thought system that recognizes that every living thing, including every plant and tree, is an individual personality.